Most of the time you usually have an ear of corn right on the grill. Today I thought it would be really nice to have something sort of festive and colorful like a corn salad. I am making my colorful corn salad. It's got a lot of crunch, it's got freshness. We've got red pepper, we've got red onion, we've got avocado, which has got a softness, and jicama, one of my favorite things. Got a nice, fresh, crisp taste to it. Harper loves this stuff, as do I. All right, I'm gonna go grab my black beans, which have been draining. So there's 2 cans of black beans that I've rinsed and drained. We have 4 cups of corn, yummy corn. We're adding 1 red bell pepper, 1 small red onion, 2 avocados. We're gonna add some fresh cilantro. This is good classic Tex-Mex. Look at how colorful that is, looks gorgeous. We've got a ½ cup of lime juice. And this is gonna be a really great acidic addition to this great salad. And then we have about a ¼ cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin. It's looking good. Now we have beautiful, colorful corn salad. Yum. Gotta take a little taste, make sure the seasoning's good. So good. It's got a lot of freshness to it.